Hello, thank you for watching Montessori lesson channel. In today's video, I will be introducing the pink word list activity from the language section and where to print out and make on your own. Please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and the bell icon to be notified when a new video comes up. The purpose of this activity is to teach the child how to pronounce separate sounds and blending sounds together of a 3-letter phonetic words. The instructions for the activity are: introduce the child to the pink word list at the language shelf. Choose a word list with the child and have the child take it to the work area. Each word list is numbered at the bottom right hand side. Have the child place the word list in front of them in the work area. Put your right pointer finger under the first word on the list and ask the child to read the word out loud. Have the child follow the previous step for the second word on the list in the same way, reading it out loud, and the remaining words the same way. When the child finishes the activity and still shows interest, offer them the second word list. Once the child finishes the activity completely, have them return it to the language shelf. The pink word list can be bought at IFIG Montessori in the link in the description part. This ends my video for today. Thank you for watching.